Hi, Mrs. Ducharme here, and I want to tell you about a new database called Points of View. It's from EBSCO. So a couple ways you can get there. You can go from the library page, research, find information, and then choose our password document there. Or you can search in your drive for library passwords, and it will be there under P for Points of View. And here's the username and password. Once you open it up, it looks like this. And this is a good one for browsing. So right from the start, I just want to make sure you understand you're in here. It should say American School of Lima. And then if you go to sign in, you can make an account. If you've ever made an account in EBSCO before, it's the exact same one. So this is an EBSCO database. And so when you do the sign in, you can use your EBSCO account. If you don't have one, just make one. I always recommend that you make it the same as your school email and school password. That will help you because you can save whatever you work on. Okay, so here we are on the browsing page, and here are the current events that are kind of always changing. And then you have this browse by category. And you'll see many categories here, and if there are a lot, then you'll find that it says more and it will give you the full list. Each of these categories, let's see, I'll go to Earth and Environment. Each of the categories is going to open with some general information. So I'm going to go to this one about alfalfa farming, and it will open to kind of a general page about the issue. So I highly recommend that you read that over pretty carefully because it will give you a broad sense of the issues for that topic. Then it will give you on the side here point and counterpoint articles. So these will be, some of the different sides of the issue. After you've looked at those, if you'd like to do more searching, you can try this smart text searching. What it's going to do is put all of the words from the article into a search and see what else is available. So see this up here? All of the abstract of the article is in there, and it's given me 591 more things about this topic. So 591, way too many. So I'm going to go down here and look at how I can limit my results. I can limit by date by using this slider bar. I can limit by source type. That didn't do much. I can limit by source type, so maybe I want academic journals. And I can limit by subject. This limiting by subject to me is a very powerful tool. I always choose Show More so I can see all of the subjects that are available. And then I can choose. I want alfalfa farming and global warming update, and I should have just those 9 articles. Okay. The other thing is when I see this counterpoint, I know that it's part of the point counterpoint points of view database. Okay. You'll also see ones called Overview. And those are the ones kind of like the opening article I showed you just earlier that are going to give you kind of a broad look at the topic. Okay? So this is really a neat tool. Like all the databases, it has kind of handy tools over here so you can cite the article. I like this permalink. Sometimes it can be hard to get to the article again. So if you're taking notes in a Google Doc or something, you can grab that permalink and paste it into your Google Doc, and it will be easier to get to later. Just a quick little thing as long as we're seeing it here. Notice here where it says subjects. This is another way for you to learn what are some of the words that are categorizing this type of information. So if you want to know more about something, you can click on that and it will give you more. And if you want to say, okay, I'm interested in environmental degradation, but not necessarily in points of view, I can X that out, and now I'm going to be into all of EBSCO. So there's a lot of kind of expanding and limiting that can happen in EBSCO, and all of it is really in your power on this sidebar here. Alrighty, I can just go back to the beginning so we can see how it looks from the start. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you like this, because this is a new database in our library. Thanks, bye.